Hi guys, today I'm creating a look using this palette from Beauty Bay. Reckless Romance palette. It has 20 beautiful shades. First of all, we need to prime, so I'm using my Kaleidos Tone Activator Eye Primer. A little goes a long way. I just took a very small amount and whoa, now I look like a clown. This is really funny. Luckily, I have a damp sponge at my side and I am just patting everything so it will be cohesive and beautiful. And now we are getting started. I'm starting with the shade. I'm going to show you, of course, the palette again, and I'm starting with this shade. Wait, I'm looking for a brush. Where are all my brushes? Where is the brush? I don't know. Just don't look at the elephant in the room. And I'm using with this, I'm starting with Fling. This is a very beautiful shade, very mauvey and pretty, and I really love it. I bought this palette before Valentine's last year. Haven't used it for a very long time. The other day I was fixing my room and checking everything out, and I found that I have so many Beauty Bay palettes that I haven't been using. So here we are. I've been using them. Well, not all the time, but more than I used to, which is a blessing in disguise. So let's just continue. After I applied it all over the crease, I'm going to go with the next shade, which is called Paparazzi. And I'm applying it on the outer corner of my eye, just to give it some definition for the eye. This is the usual method where I apply a base to my crease or above my crease because I have hooded eyes, and then I apply a dark shade at the ends of the lid, and then I usually blend it a bit all together so it will look seamless. But don't worry, because we're going to use a lid shade, and I'm just thinking, which shade should I choose? I don't know. I am thinking and adding a little more color from Paparazzi. So Paparazzi it is. I'm adding more. I don't really think I need, but I kind of thought that I took the wrong shade. And now I'm taking this shade, which is called After Party, a very nice pink shade. I really like all the shades from Beauty Bay. The shimmers are just out of this world, and this is relatively affordable palettes, and they usually have very good quality, especially the ones that are limited edition. I don't know why that happens, but it is what it is. Usually when they have limited edition palettes, they are just killing it. So really enjoy it. Now I need to take color for my inner corner, and I chose this color called, let me see, I have the palette in front of me. That is Girlfriend. So we're using Girlfriend in the inner corner. I'm just taking a very small brush and adding Girlfriend to the inner corner, as you can see right now. But look at that. That is just gorgeous. Oh my god. This is such a beautiful shade. I can't really believe that it is so affordable. It's just amazing. Now I need to put something on my lips because this is my day makeup, and now I'm going out and I am transitioning to an evening kind of look. So I'm just applying my NYX fat oil in Supermodel. Well, this is my favorite shade. I have two, but I love this one the most. Look how flattering it is to my lips. Well, you can't see my lips now, you can see this soft glam filter by Catrice. Mine is in the shade 020, and now I am just applying it to my chin because usually by the end of the day all the foundation on the chin is usually goes bye-bye, and I need to reapply it. And now we have to take care of the elephant in the room and use this one from It Cosmetics. This is a correcting cream, but I love using it with my brush. I'm trying to take a very small amount, but as you can see, that wasn't very successful. So I'm just, well, it's not covering, I'm trying to hide it, but you know, elephants are elephants, and well, you can't really make them go away, just camouflage them a tiny bit. So that's what I'm doing now, and of course taking my sponge and making it cohesive. And the last step that I am just showing you is the mascara Sky High by Maybelline. This is a favorite mascara, and unfortunately at the end of the month I will need to say goodbye to it because it is at the ends of its life. So I am unfortunately will need to replace it, but we have a few more days till the end of the month. Now Peachy Glow, this is another Beauty Bay palette. This is a highlighting palette. This is beautiful. I am just reapplying what I did in the morning, just the highlighter, and that's it. And now I am ready, and now I can go and basically change my clothes and get out. Write anything in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you enjoyed it. I think the look turned out beautifully and I am ready to go party. So I will catch you all in my next video. Bye.